Hi folks, Dan.McCaskill, Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. A little wet, a little rainy, but we're gonna walk through a 2019 Winnebago 35F. Absolutely great floor plan, lots of storage, lots of features, good for the whole family, overhead bunk, all kinds of stuff. Come on inside, let's take a look. So Winnebago, as always, on all of their coaches, Winnebago is a business, been in business for over 50 years. I think it's like 61 years they've been in business. One of their main goals is construction, and they build all of their products right in-house, right there in Iowa. Everything is mounted to steel inside the coach. Your cabinetry, the microwaves, and everything has a part number, okay? If you look right here, part number on every cabinet, right down to what you have with your holding tanks, your black water tank, all of those things are built right in-house. And 10 years from now with Winnebago, if you pick up the phone with that part number, which is mounted on everything in the coach, you can order that part and have it relatively quick. Within a week, they'll ship you this cabinet door in that color with that hardware. Not another manufacturer that's going to do that for you. Pretty impressive. If you look throughout the coach, sectional couch, this is a 35F. This is a really popular floor plan for a lot of manufacturers. You got the TV right in front, residential fridge, a little bit bigger, full dinette. So they separate this coach out. You've got, of course, your driving space, which these chairs turn around and become a part of the kitchen here. But you've got kitchen, dinette across from each other, living room there, and then you've got your bedroom. This is a bath and a half coach, so you have a forward bath. The people that are in this bed, they don't have to come into your bedroom in the back to use the bathroom, okay? They can just jump down, they come right to here. Of course, you've got your privacy door. That is a wood door here. It'll slide closed, and they have a restroom here in the half bath to use. Whole purpose of it. But if you come back here, you're going to see in the bedroom, full queen bed, 80 inches, not a short one. Wardrobes on both sides of the area here. You do have a TV, and always with Winnebago, lots of storage. Deep cupboard or drawers down here below and above, real deep. You can see, put my whole arm in there. Very nice coaches. Here in the back you have a half bath, and all the countertops in this are hard surface countertops, okay? No Formica, good size shower. Plenty of room around the toilet. It is on a pedestal. You'll be nice and comfortable when you're using the facilities. One of the things we're going to do, I'm going to have him back up a little bit and look down the roof line of this coach. Everything in Winnebago is a full fiberglass roof. And you're going to notice that this roof has a curve to it. Okay? That's all about structure, because a flat roof isn't near as strong as anything that has an arc to it, and that roof is aluminum as well. Sidewalls are all aluminum. It is a bonded but non-vacuum bonded wall. It's a rolled wall. It has a little bit more structure. You don't have to worry about the glues and D-lam and things like that because of the process they use. We're going to walk outside for a second. If you look down the sidewall of this coach, and with the water on it, it actually helps. You're not going to see any studs poking out or anything, and that's part of that rolling process. Full body paint, of course, on this particular coach. You're on a 24,000 pound chassis, so you go from a 19.5 wheel and tire to a 22.5 wheel and tire. If we start looking at storage, pass-throughs, and you'll notice here the tanks are all heated and above the rail. And this bay underneath here is all insulated as well. So cold weather, warm weather, whatever you're going to do with this motorhome with your family, you're going to be plenty fine. If you look across there, again, good pass-through storage, all carpeted, nice and clean. Winnebago does a great job. If you look at their slides here, okay, full body paint, painted on the inside here, all the way across. This is the Adventurer. So the Adventurer is their top of the line gas coach, and it's overall a great motorhome. It's a way to get a coach that's going to ride and drive similar to a diesel without getting into that $300,000 price range. You know, you're in the mid 100s on this coach. It's a real reasonable payment, easy to afford. Sorry, I'm jumping around and just opening doors. So you can see here, everything's real easy to get to. Easy to explain. You know, this is a point and shoot, easy to operate kind of motorhome. You got your freshwater inlet, outside shower, everything's labeled real clearly. You got your pump, so you can pump out your wastewater. 50 amp service. It's a 25-foot cord. Just real easy to operate, real easy to use. Side view cameras, backup camera. Overall, I know I went kind of quickly, but Winnebago, at any portion of their product line, you're getting a high quality coach, 61 years in business. Again, my name is Dan.McCaskill. If you have any questions, please call me, 541-990-6560. Or of course, you can reach us at the store number as well. I hope you have a great day.